Welcome to our Saving Programs page. Here, we'll uncover all the incredible financial benefits of owning an electric vehicle and upgrading your home for EV charging. From federal tax credits to local utility rebates, there's a lot of money to be saved. Let's explore each section. First up, our hero section. This is where we highlight the big picture. You can see right away the potential for significant savings across federal, state, and utility programs. We're talking thousands of dollars that can make your EV journey even more affordable. It's all about maximizing your investment and getting the most out of your electric future. Next, we dive into the federal incentives. The U.S. government offers substantial tax credits for both new and used electric vehicles, as well as for installing home charging equipment. We detail the specific amounts, like up to $7,500 for new EVs. It's important to understand the eligibility requirements, such as income caps and vehicle manufacturing details, which we outline here. We also provide a direct link to fueleconomy.gov so you can always find the most current information directly from the source. Moving on to state-level EV incentives. This is where things get really localized. Because incentives vary so much by region, we've made it interactive. You can select your state from the options here, for example, California, New York, or Texas, and immediately see a list of programs available specifically to residents of that state. These can include additional rebates for purchasing EVs, grants for charging infrastructure, or even perks like HOV lane access. If you don't see your state or want to explore even more options, don't miss the link to the DSIRE database, which is the most comprehensive resource for all energy incentives across the country. Now let's look at electric utility programs. Your local electric company is often a fantastic source of savings. This section dynamically updates based on the state you selected above, showing you major utility programs in your area. You'll find different types of incentives, such as installation rebates for level 2 chargers, special time-of-use rates that make charging cheaper during off-peak hours, and even demand response or managed charging programs where you can earn credits for helping balance the grid. Make sure to check what your specific utility offers. A quick call or visit to their website can uncover significant benefits tailored just for EV owners like you. Finally, after learning about all these amazing savings, you might be ready to take the next step. Our Book Your Installation section is here for that. If you're considering a level 2 home charger, we offer professional installation services. You can easily fill out the form to request a free consultation. We handle everything from assessing your electrical system to managing permits and even panel upgrades if needed. It's a seamless way to get your home ready for convenient, fast EV charging.